Hi, my name is Lakshay. I would like to share a project which we recently delivered at Melonleaf. We worked with a restaurant that was facing a very common issue, that is inefficient seat management and limited visibility into customer movement. The restaurant needed real-time visibility of seat occupancy, accurate detection of available and occupied seats. They also needed reliable turnover estimations and a solution that could work without disturbing their existing operations. Our goal was to build an AI-based solution that could detect seat occupancy automatically in the real time, also to track the customer movement in the restaurant and provide actionable insights through a centralized dashboard. At the same time, the solution needed to improve table utilization, reduce wait time, remain non-intrusive, and easy to deploy. We built an AI-powered seat occupancy and customer flow detection system using computer vision and machine learning. The solution analyzes live camera feeds to classify whether a seat is occupied or vacant, track customer movement patterns across the dining zones, and generates dynamic heat maps to visualize congestion and traffic flow. All insights are delivered through a centralized dashboard with a better table management and staff coordination. The entire system worked automatically, no manual tracking, no assumptions. The result was immediate and measurable. Seating utilization improved by 45%, staff coordination became faster during peak hours, customer wait time complaints were reduced. This project shows how AI can improve everyday restaurant operations in a very practical way. And I am proud that we could build a solution that delivers real values to the restaurant and their customers.